everyone, I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Meg.
And we're super excited to share what we've been building. Orbit raises the ceiling on what every agent and Duo agent platform can do, broadens the problems they can take on, and pushes agentic AI further than it's ever been able to go before.
It allows for popular AI coding agents such as Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, and others to gain a richer context about the real-time state of the entire software lifecycle. With Orbit, you can now ask any question you can imagine about your GitLab data, and your agents get faster, smarter, and more cost-effective.
Orbit is the lifecycle context layer that sits behind every agent in the platform. It connects your code, work items, pipelines, vulnerabilities, deployments, and production signals into one continuously updated graph that any agent can query directly. And the result of that context? Granularity. Your agents can take on bigger problems with sharper output on every task. Now here's a quick example. Meg, picture this. You open a merge request. Today, when something fails, an agent reads the logs and guesses a fix from that one failure alone. Now with Orbit, that same agent doesn't wait. For example, at GitLab, the agent scans this change against 15 years of our own pipeline history, 2 million jobs, and millions of file changes. In seconds, it surfaces the jobs that have failed dozens of times this month and points to the exact fix. What used to mean pasting logs into Slack and asking 3 teams, hey, has anybody seen this before, becomes a single query answered in seconds. And that's the shift. Your agents reason about your system the way your senior engineers do, because they finally have access and visibility into the same relationships. Now you may be wondering, how is this different from other context methods? Now I'm going to pass it over to Meg for a deeper dive into what makes Orbit so different.
Most approaches to agent context fall into 2 camps. RAG retrieves similar-looking text. It's good for relevant text chunks, but it's weak on relationships. It can't answer the high-impact questions that require traversing large and complex data sets like, what else breaks if I change this function? The other camp is to build it yourself. A custom knowledge graph will not have access to the current data across your entire SDLC and will require instrumentation for continuous updates, authentication workflows, and compliance enforcement at scale. That's months of engineering work. Because Orbit directly connects into your GitLab data, we get more accurate and granular results than RAG. There's no upfront engineering investment to build or maintain, and queries are much more efficient than chaining together dozens of API calls. Orbit indexes your top-level group, structures it as a graph, and keeps it current as you ship and iterate. This rich data already lives in GitLab. Orbit is the layer that connects it all.
Meg, I've got some really cool news for you. So Compare the Market, one of the UK's biggest price comparison sites, was rolling out an internal AI code reviewer. They tested 4 context approaches across 79 merge requests. Their headline finding was that Orbit outperformed RAG for code review by 21% on inline comment coverage. Orbit is available natively within GitLab Duo Agent platform, and external coding agents like Claude Code and Codex can connect to Orbit through MCP and the GitLab CLI.
We can't wait to see what you build when you send your agents to Orbit. So I think we're good to wrap up.
Yeah, let's do it.
Bye.